In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Together Mode and Large Gallery Video View in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever wished that your video calls felt a bit more like an in-person meeting, these features are designed just for you. Now, let's dive in and transform your virtual meetings into something more engaging and interactive. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. On your device, open the Teams app or navigate to the Teams website. You might need to enter your username and password, so have those ready. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here we can start setting up our meeting. The next step is to start a meeting. Look for the Meet button, which usually appears on the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on it and a drop down menu will give you options like Meet Now or Schedule a Meeting. If you want to jump straight into a session, click Meet Now. Alternatively, if you're planning this for later, opt to schedule it, adding all the participants you think should join. Now, with your meeting underway or at least ready to go, you should see a toolbar at the top of the meeting window. This is where you manage your call settings, and it features options to mute or unmute and add participants, amongst others. Focus on the More Actions button. This is represented by 3 dots. Click this to open up another menu containing extra features designed to enhance your meeting experience. Within this menu you'll find View, a very useful feature that helps customize your meeting layout according to your needs. Click on View and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing the exciting options we have on hand. First, let's talk about Together Mode. This is a unique feature where all the participating members are placed in a shared virtual background, such as a classroom or auditorium layout. This is particularly effective for larger meetings, making it feel as though everyone is sitting together in one room. To activate Together Mode, click on the option that says Together Mode in the View menu. Instantly, the participants' video frames will merge into a shared scene, making the interaction feel more cohesive and connected. If you have a lot of attendees, you might want to try the Large Gallery View, which allows you to see up to 49 video feeds at once. While not as immersive as Together Mode, it prevents you from losing sight of who's speaking. To switch to this view, go back to View and select Large Gallery. This is particularly useful for large group discussions or brainstorming sessions where seeing everyone's reactions is beneficial. And there you have it. By leveraging Together Mode and Large Gallery View, you can make your Microsoft Teams meetings more interactive and engaging, just like gathering in a physical conference room. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you elevate your virtual meeting.